Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my Audi and we're going to produce a relatively simple video today at a viewer's request on how to charge your Audi vehicle. Now specifically, I am here with my 2011 Audi A3. However, this video is really generic to all of your Audis. So if you're interested in learning how to charge your Audi, do check this video out. So the first thing that we need to do is to open the bonnet or the hood, depending on where you're located in the world. And to do that, you come to the driver's side. Now, obviously I'm in a right-hand drive vehicle, so I've come to the right-hand side. But if we're in a left-hand drive vehicle, like our friends in America, we don't go to the left-hand side of the vehicle. So go to the driver's side regardless, and then just reach forward and you're going to find a lever that'll release the bonnet or the hood, just like this. Now, it can vary a little bit. You can see my lever was just up a little bit. The later model Audis actually have that lever integrated into the plastic on the side, but it's either going to be here as a lever or integrated to the plastic just alongside it. So with that bonnet or hood released to the first stage, there's actually another latch. So you need to slide your hand just under the bonnet at the front like this, pull the secondary latch up, and then lift the bonnet all the way up, just like that. So with the bonnet up, pretty much most of your Audis have the battery on this side and it sits underneath this plastic cover. So you just need to press that tab, lift off that plastic cover and get that out of the way to expose your battery. So then to charge the vehicle, I really like these CTEK chargers. I'm not affiliated with CTEK in any way, but I've had this CTEK MXS 5.0 charger for many years now, and I really love it. It's got a smart, intelligent charger. Many of the OEMs actually rebrand these chargers for sale as trickle chargers, etc. with their vehicles, because they really are a wonderful, smart, intelligent charger. It's got many modes. It supports AGM batteries, lead acid batteries. It tests them, reconditions them, and once it ends up in a steady state, it ends up in a trickle charge. So we start by connecting the positive on first. We can clearly see it's identified by the positive on the battery, and connect that there. And then rather than connecting to the negative of the battery, we go to the negative post, which is on the body. You can see it's clearly got a negative on top of it, and we connect our negative, the black for the charger, onto that. So the battery hooked up to the car, we can then connect our charger to the power. We can check that it's in the correct mode. We can see it's in vehicle and AGM, and you can see straight away it's coming through the testing of the battery, and when it gets to the very end, we know it's finished charging and it's in that trickle mode of charge. So there you go folks, that's how to quickly, simply and importantly safely charge the battery in your Audi vehicle. And today I've shown you how I would do that with my CTEK MXS 5.0 charger, which I really do like. And as I said, I'll chuck a link to where you can purchase that charger in the video. But if you have liked this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in learning about DIY and maintaining your vehicle, on the channel we've got about 20 or 30 videos on this Audi A3, but we also service and maintain a number of other vehicles. We've got this Mercedes ML Class, the Mazda 3, the early Ford Falcon, there's a Ford Ranger now, so there really is something on the channel for everyone. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.